Good morning. Here, this morning, we are in San Juan del Sur Day School, the American school of San Juan del Sur. I wanted to show you this place because I think it's important for you to know what's going on here and what will be available for your kids. So it's a school that has already 11 or 12 years to be active, and it has been growing a lot since last year. Recently, due to COVID and restrictions, a lot of relocalization happening. So Nicaragua has been growing, and San Juan del Sur has been receiving a lot of new expats family. So around 150 kids today are studying, and will start in September. So class starts in September until June. So it's like Europe and Canada, United States. So it takes kids from kindergarten, 3 years old, and I think it goes until 16 years old. So my two kids start there at this age, at 3 or 2.5 years old. I like this area because it's a green garden. We are inside a community called Finca Las Nubes, the cloud farm. Over there you have like a football pitch and some activities for kids. They also build a basketball court between others. So my kid is studied in this building. He is in 3rd grade and passed in 4th grade. So he is 9 years old. He has today a math test of 30 minutes to get in 4th grade, sorry. I'm gonna pass inside to show you. So this is the second building built. The first was behind me, over there. He has like 4 classrooms, but it was not enough. So 2 or 3 years ago, they increased here with 5 other classrooms. I think 2 years ago they did other classrooms over in wood there, and now on the back there's like 2 new buildings built. We're gonna see them. So all the teachers are preparing the class, cleaning the rooms to receive kids beginning of September. There is the Thursday 29 of August, a picnic to meet families, kids, new kids, and meet with the teachers and the staff of the school. Here we get in one of the classrooms. So these are like small groups of class. Will fit like 12, 15 students here maximum. So it's one teacher for 15 kids. I like this proximity and the access to education with not too much kids in the group. My kid is making here his exam over there. We won't disturb. So over here there is the 2 new buildings. They are for the higher grade. I'm not sure of the names of the grade in English, I'm sorry. But they are like the upper, so from 11 to 16 years old. There is a football pitch. We normally train rugby over there once a week for the kids, but they are offering a lot of activities. So you have basketball, taekwondo, it was yoga, drawing, kitchen, football, soccer, rugby. And it's one of the schools with ocean view, so we don't see from here very well, but over there I'm on the southwest view, and you have like a 3-bay view, ocean view. So it's one of the few schools in the world that offer from the pitch or from the class an ocean view. So it's a very particular area, particular place. We are about 6 to 8 minute drive from San Juan del Sur city center, and it will be the same from the beach. So it's an very accessible school. There is a school bus coming every morning, so he has like 3 stops. One on the north area of San Juan del Sur, the area called La Talanguera. Goes then in the city center at the church. So I drop my kids there at 8:20 or 8:15 every day, and the bus come back at 4:25, 4:30 in the afternoon. So it's great for us. We don't have to drive them, and it's all included. So the school could be cheap and expensive, depend of your budget, but it's I will say the only option for American education in San Juan and in the area. The next American school will be only in Managua. That's why San Juan del Sur has been like very popular this last year. A lot of family comes here always, and it's the good option for kids. I like the education. Teachers are come from all over the world. You have of course some Nicaraguan teachers, but qualify, and then you have foreigners teachers. So one of the last teachers my kids had was from Spain, Alvaro, and he was like a very great person. I know all the kids liked him, and he's what I liked here. The proximity between kids and their staff, the teachers they have, and the school direction. It's a small school, so all the kids are together during the playtime. And I've seen, because I'm going sometimes there to teach rugby, that there is a good ambience, good relation between the small and the tallest. The tallest will take care of the small because all of them have like a smaller sister or brother. So it's a good atmosphere between kids. I don't see the spirit and what could be a bullying between kids here. It's a very healthy area, very healthy schools, and good relation between the difference of age. So here is the new building. So I guess it's for the tallest school, the tallest kids. So I hope you like this video. Please ask us more information. I will put the link of the school if you want to get information. We can also share you if you ask the contact of the direction and the administration. Okay, he was Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estates. Pleasure here to show you San Juan del Sur Day School in Finca Las Nubes of San Juan del Sur.